Hello guys, welcome back to the LöKii trading video. In this one we're going to be doing a stock analysis on the ticker PFE, which is for the stock Pfizer. As you probably have seen, all the kind of COVID suppliers or COVID vaccine suppliers have been absolutely surging recently. So I thought it'd be a good time to do some price targets on it, and we could start seeing kind of a breakdown on where it's likely to head. So to get straight into it, we have the key price levels of support and resistance lines of a 46.30, which I think we will bounce when it pulls back. I do think this will be a key bounce level, for the main reason being we've seen this pattern happen multiple times. We get the kind of pump and then we come back to the previous high, and then maybe hesitate there for just a day, a few hours or something like that, but we will most likely see some hesitation back at this 43 level. If you are shorting on the long term, or looking maybe to start buying it up again, anywhere from 43.50, the 41.50, 39.75 and 36.50 are all good buy areas. Now let's go on to where we see the stock more heading towards, and right now I think we are going to struggle. Right, this could be the end of the move, as we are coming into the 48.66, which is a standard deviation, third deviation resistance, and we've already hit into the third deviation on the daily at 48.40, and as you can see, as soon as it hit this level, it's where it started to fade out for the day. We tested it one more time before fading off once again. Especially on large cap stocks like Pfizer, you hardly ever see them out of these deviations. Very uncommon, and when they do get out of these deviations, they tend to come back quickly. So I do think right now is, if you are long, it is a great area to lock in profits, if not all, at least a sum, because I do think this will be a key reversal level and we could start seeing it continue down from here. And that's why I started off the video mainly giving buy entries, because I do think we're at the end of this move. However, if you're not selling off here and you're looking for it to go higher, my key profit targets would be the 51.30, which would be the fourth deviation using standard deviation channels, to around $51. So around that $51 mark will be my next profit targets to the upside. Now I'll show you what I mean by you don't see stocks out of these deviation bands, because the only one that's really done it recently was AMD. And I'll just show you kind of what happens when it comes into this level, so you know when a bit will most likely happen with Pfizer. See, it hesitant as it came into this fourth deviation, as we're seeing on Pfizer now. It will pull back, and the real test will be if it retests this on a new day. So if Wednesday opens up, Pfizer retests that high and breaks through, we most likely will see it go to the next deviation channels, as that's how stocks tend to work. They don't tend to just come up maybe up to a quarter of the way and then come down. They tend to make it to the next whole deviation. So it'll be quite likely, if we break that high, that we will go up to the next deviation and then start its fade down. As you can see, it will happen heavily, most likely like it has on the AMD. Since we hit those deviations, we have only had red days, and we will most likely see the same thing on Pfizer. If we do end up retesting this, kind of breaking through this 49 level, I would say, yeah, if we break through 49, that's where we most likely will hit that $51 target, but we'll probably get that strong fade down from then on. So that's the overall analysis on Pfizer. Hope you enjoyed, hope to see you in the next one, and that's it. Peace.